Hi, I'm Josh Bloom. Welcome to another video in the RSP Supply Education Series. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the top 5 most important tools for industrial wiring. There are many things to consider when doing any type of wiring, such as safety or power concerns, accuracy, avoiding mistakes, just to name a few. While all of those things are very important, today we are going to be focusing on the tools you might use when getting that wiring job done. Now, there are hundreds of different tools that can be used when wiring. Today I want to focus on what I feel are the 5 most important tools you can use when doing any kind of wiring, and more specifically, industrial wiring. Number 1, a multimeter. There are a number of reasons I have this on my list, but let me address just a few of the most important reasons. A multimeter is critical for giving you the ability to check to make sure that your circuits are working and are not powered. Although we may think that we have turned the power off, it is a very good practice to double check, and a multimeter is a great way to do this. Also, a multimeter is essential for troubleshooting any problems you may encounter along the way. And if you have done any kind of electrical work before, you know you will encounter problems. Having a multimeter by your side can greatly reduce the time needed to fix problems and can also increase the safety of your work environment. Number 2, a very good wire stripper. You notice here that I said very good wire stripper. This is because there are many wire strippers that are not built to a very high standard and can be very frustrating to use and don't last very long. And when you are using this tool a lot and rely on them constantly for the work that you're doing, you need a set that will last and perform exactly as intended. So, find a brand that you like and that makes a quality set and stick with them. Also, keep in mind, most wire strippers are designed to work with only a few different wire sizes. So make sure the set you select will work with the wire that you intend to use. Number 3, a good set of insulated screwdrivers. When doing any type of wiring, it is important that you look for tools that are intended for electrical work. This is no different with a screwdriver set. Although the insulation does provide some protection against electrical shock, it is not meant to be relied upon for safety. A good set of screwdrivers will make any electrical work and wiring go much easier. If you are doing more specialized work, such as working in an industrial control panel, it is essential that you find a good set of precision screwdrivers that are designed to be used with smaller terminals. In general, always use the right tool for the specific task that you are working on. Number 4, electrical tape. This is one of those things that every home in America should have. Electrical tape is such a helpful tool, especially for someone who is working with electricity. Whether you are pulling wire through conduit, securing wires together, or covering exposed electrical terminals. Electrical tape is incredibly useful and should always be in the tool bag when doing any kind of wiring. Number 5, electrical drawings or schematics. This may seem like an odd thing to have on this list, and many may not even consider this a tool. However, having and using electrical drawings when wiring, especially industrial wiring, can make a huge difference in how well a job goes. In more complex circuits, the chances of making mistakes increase dramatically. This is where a good set of drawings can make all the difference and will allow you to double check your work and ensure that things are being done correctly. Just like with other tools discussed today, having your electrical plans handy can be one of the most important tools you use. So now, let's quickly recap these highly important tools. Number 1, a multimeter. This increases safety and makes troubleshooting much easier. Number 2, a good wire stripper. Don't skip. Find a good set that will last. Number 3, insulated screwdriver set. Makes the job much easier and safer. Number 4, electrical tape. It has a million uses and is a critical tool when wiring. And lastly, number 5, electrical drawings. This can be your guide when things get tough. Use your drawings. For a full line of industrial hardware and thousands of other products, please go to our website. For more information or other educational videos, go to rspsupply.com, the internet's top source for industrial hardware. Also, don't forget, like and subscribe.